Hello everyone, I welcome everyone to today's class. So let's just wait for like a minute for others to join so we can get started. So it has been a wonderful journey so far. So I hope we are practicing what we've learned before and trying to make the best out of it. So today we are going to be learning about cloud storage tools, okay? So as a virtual assistant, it is important that you know about cloud storage tools, okay? Because as you are working with your client, remember you are not in the same location. So you would need to share files that are large with your client. Let's say you finish working, you need to share it with your client. In most cases, if you are working in a physical office, you could easily take a file to your boss's desk or your client's desk. But in this aspect, you remember you are working online. So you would need to deliver the job. Let's say he gives you something to sort of you want something manually or something to kind of type in. Do you give it to your client? There's it may not go because Gmail is something with the 25. So imagine there's a document that is more than 25 MB and you want to share it with your client. How do you do it? That is the question. You all know what cloud is. Probably let me explain in case you don't know what cloud is. So today's topic, if you are just joining, we are learning about cloud storage tools, how to share things via the cloud in the way that it is not physically seen, but you are sharing this thing via the cloud. So how do we share something via the cloud? First of all, I want to explain what is the meaning of cloud. As you know, cloud computing is like a new branch of tech or something like that. So now we're talking about cloud storage tools. So what is a cloud? I will simply explain what a cloud is, then put it in the context of sharing things with your client. What is cloud? In a simple definition, cloud refers to a network of servers that are hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than using a local computer or physical server. Do we understand what I mean? So, a cloud refers to a network of servers that are hosted on the internet store, manage, and process data a rather than using a or physical server. So what this means is that you can actually connect with someone via the cloud with any physical connection with that thing. So the cloud enables using cloud storage. It enables you to store files in the cloud. Even if you lose, there's another of using cloud storage tools. Even if you lose your phone and things that you store in the cloud will still be there so long as you have access to your Gmail account or whatever account you use, email account you use to open that cloud storage tools. When you put something in your phone, you store it. Once your phone gets lost, it is lost. So working with clients, you need to learn how to store things in such a way that you don't lose files. It is a red flag that you are not able to protect your company data or documents. So using cloud storage tools enables you share large files, share large data, and also protect it via the cloud. So even if you lose your phone or your system, you still have them in the cloud. So what are cloud storage tools? Okay, when we talk about tools, we are simply talking about softwares. What are cloud storage tools? Cloud storage tools are services or platforms that allows users to store, manage, and access their data. This could be files, documents, images, videos, etc. online rather than on local devices. These tools ensure that data is securely stored and accessible from any internet-enabled device. So this means that cloud storage tools uses internet, like you can't access it without an internet. So I hope you understand this explanation. They are just services or platforms. They're like platforms or companies that allow users to store, manage, and access their data online rather than on local devices. What kind of data are we talking about? Files, documents, images, videos, etc. So this means that with cloud storage tools, you can store these things online. Okay, they are in the cloud, like they are in the internet, they are online. You don't need to have them on your phone. If you like lose your phone, it doesn't matter. So let's look at example of some popular cloud storage tools. We have Google Drive. Excuse me, guys, my baby is crying. I need to go pick him up. So we have Google Drive. Um, Google Drive. This is a cloud storage tool developed by Google. We also have Dropbox. Dropbox. There are so many of them. We have Dropbox. There is a Mega. There is P Cloud. There is Box. Guys, just a minute, please. A few seconds. Let me pick up my child, please. He's crying. You guys know I have a baby. So I'm back, guys. So as I was saying, I was giving examples of cloud storage tools. We have Dropbox. I've talked about Google Drive. Okay, we have Dropbox, Google Drive. Like I said, Google Drive is a cloud storage tool developed by Google. It's free to an extent, but there's a time it will get to you. We need to upgrade. Okay, so let's look at Google Drive. Google Drive offers 15 gig. And when I say Google Drive, that is Google, then Drive, Drive. Let me show you guys. In case you don't know what I mean, this is what I mean. Google Drive. Look at it. This is the icon. You can see my screen. This is it. Google Drive. That is what I'm talking about. Google Drive. This is the Google Drive. You can see it written on top. It is called Google Drive. So let's look at the features of Google Drive. It offers 15 gig of free storage space. You can integrate it with Google Workspace. Like, it can work hand in hand with Google Docs. I hope you know what Google Workspace is. It's like a collection, like a payment should I say package from Google, that when you pay, you have all their tools. You can access all their tools in one place. So with it, you can integrate it with Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, etc. Anything Google product. Then another number 3 features of it is it is great for collaboration and file sharing. Now, when we talk about collaboration, it means that you can collaborate with your client. When you add something to Google Drive, you can give your client access to it, or anyone that you want access to that particular file or document. That is the collaboration part of Google Drive. So let's look at another cloud storage tool called Dropbox. So Dropbox is known for its simplicity and cross-platform compatibility. It features automatic backup and syncing. It provides 2 gig of free storage. You see, it has a lesser free storage availability, unlike Google that gives you 15 gig. So it means that you have only 2 gig. If you exceed 2 gig storage on Dropbox, you will have to like upgrade to a greater plan for them. So we've talked about Dropbox, Dropbox, but we'll learn Google Drive first. Then there's Microsoft OneDrive. It is also another one that is developed by Microsoft. Then we have iCloud. iCloud is for iPhone users or Apple users, exclusive to Apple users. Users, they're the ones that have access to this. It offers free 5 gig of storage space. It automatically backs up photos, documents, and device settings. Then we have Amazon S3 simple storage device. This is an enterprise level storage solution. It is scalable and cost efficient, often used by developers. This one is for higher scale, not for smaller scale storage. It is ideal for storing large amounts of data securely. Then there is pCloud, there is Box, there is Mega, there is Backblaze, Adobe Creative Cloud, and all of that. Now let's look at the benefits of cloud storage tools. Number one is accessibility. The benefits of cloud storage tools. Number one is accessibility. Files are accessible from any device with an internet connection. So long as you have your internet connection and the password to your email, you are free to your email and your drive, you are free to access anything in Drive from any device. Number two benefit is scalability. Storage can grow as your needs expand. You can scale up, you can, upgrade what you have. Number three is collaboration. Many tools enable multiple users to work on the same file in real time. If you're using cloud storage tools, a lot of users can collaborate on one particular file at a time. Security. Built-in encryption protects files from unauthorized access. That's another thing. It protects the security. It has a built-in encryption and it protects files from unauthorized access. Number five benefit is backup. It automatically saves data, reducing the risk of loss. Okay, so these are some of the benefits of cloud storage tools. So now, like I said, one of them is Google Drive. This is my drive. Now, how do you access Google Drive? To access Google Drive, you should already have an email account. Then the next thing you to do is to visit Play Store. So yeah, I hope you can see my screen. I'll just go to Google Play Store and look at me, I'm typing Google Play Store. Drive, Play Store. I need that. Play Store. Sorry, I'm trying to search for the Play Store app on my phone. There's a lot of things here, so I'm going to search for Play Store. So this is my Play Store. So I'll click on Google Play Store. Once I click on Google Play Store, we might not finish everything about Google Drive tonight, but I just want to show us how to add something to your drive. We'll still learn how to share things, how to give access, and a lot of things. So we may not necessarily finish it tonight. So I am on Google Play Store. The next thing I'll do now is to go to my search button. I'll go to my search button and search for Google Drive. Google Drive. This is it. Google and Drive. Okay. So I'll search for Google Drive. This is Google Drive. Now this is it, and this is the icon. It says installed. Had it been I don't have it installed, can you guys see it? If you can see it, let me know. Say yes, I can see it. Had it been I don't have, had it been, can they access our data and share with people we don't know? No. They wouldn't do that. Sorry, I'm just seeing some people's question now. No. With Google Drive, with any storage, cloud storage tools, your data and everything is well protected. Okay, everything you have is well protected, so long as you don't lose access to your password and all of that. Okay, so this is Google Drive. Please, if you can see Google Drive, let me know you can see it. So this is the Google Drive. This is on Play Store. So because I already have it installed, I'll just open. If you hadn't had it installed, you just click on this thing on install. So this is the home page. You can see things I've added here. So I'll just click on here and select the upload option. When I click on the upload option, I can add anything. That's my baby sleeping. Let's say I want to add a photo. I want to add anything. I want to add a photo. I can click on it and add a photo. Okay, I can add a photo, and I'll go to recent. We'll still touch all this button, and I am going to see. First off, added. Um, Did I not add it? Okay, so I'm trying to add something to my drive. So where is it? Recent. So this is the image now. So it has added. I'll click on this image, and you see the image has added. So I have this in my drive. Now I can rename this thing I've added. Okay, I can rename it to anything. Let's say it's a file I'm working on, and it's the data, let's say the client's data. I'll just name it that. Okay, so I have added, this is, you see, I have named it. Now it's I have renamed it. So you can add something and give it a more, and rename it. You see the name client data is showing now. So you see it's client data. You can see that thing I added, and you can see client data there. Now another thing here is that I can add a video. Let me show you guys how you can add a video. You see this thing I've added now, it's not in my phone, it's actually in the cloud. Even if I lose my phone, I still have access to it. I can log in, take someone else's phone and log in with my email, and I have access to everything in my drive. So now let's add a video. We have added a photo. So now let's add a video. I'll click on new and click on upload. I'll just search for a video. We can also add some documents. You are adding all of this in order for it to be secure. There are some things like videos that are high, that are big. Let's add this video. Like there are some videos that have, okay, there are some videos that are 5 MB. You can share it using email. You still need a cloud storage service to in order to share. And what we have added, is it not added? I have just added something else. Since I didn't select well, so I'll upload this. I can even upload a sheet here. I can upload anything I want here. This is upload, and I want to take us back and show you the size of that video. Wait, let me show you guys the size of that video before. You guys can see their sizes by the side. So look at this particular video now. This one is 42 MB, meaning that I cannot even share it with email. If you doubt, you can try it, and you see that it will not go via email. So imagine you order, or don't I have space again? It seems like I have exhausted my free space here. That's why it's not adding. That's movie. Why is this not added? Since I've exhausted my space, guys, my free space, the free storage they gave to me, your file is being uploaded. Okay, it's still uploading. Or okay, see it here. I've uploaded plenty at a time, so let this one upload. You can see it's still uploading. It's still uploading. You can see it is still uploading. So once it's done uploading now, I can rename it and share with my client. Are you guys with me? Please, if you are with me, let me know that you can see what I'm doing. So while that one is uploading, let's go back to the one we have done today. I just want us to be fast. So let's go back to the one we have added today. So let's say, for example, this one now, and I want to share it. I'll just click on this three dotted line and click on share. Then add the email address of whosoever I want to add it to. Okay, add the email address of whosoever I want to add it to. Okay, most times the person must have a Gmail account, and I'll click. It will automatically send this to that person, and the person will receive it. And when the person receives it, the person can collaborate on that particular thing with me and all of that. So guys, you guys have seen how this is done. We have added things to the drive. We have added some documents to our drive. We have added images. We have added video. You have seen how you can have access to your own drive. Just go on what's it called, Play Store, and download the app Google Drive. Once you download it, click on open. It will open. Follow the steps. If you already have a Gmail account, it automatically give you access to it, except you are not logged in with a Gmail account, and it could be like, okay, follow this process to have this on your device. So guys, I hope you guys understood what we learned today. So in our next class, we're going to be looking at how to give access to people, how to share it to multiple sorry guys. Oh, English is not my language. Multiple people. Okay, multiple people. So if you have a question, just drop it. I want classes to be less long, like, don't, so that you don't get bored in. If you question, let me see if there's anyone. If you have a question, you can drop your question, and let's see if anyone has a question so that I can go through it, saying good night today while we wait for our next class on Thursday. So So our next class is going to be on Thursday. Please let me know in the group. If you are not following us on Facebook, do well to follow me on Facebook. The name is Tech Savvy Ogo as well. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Hit the notification button. Share, excuse me guys. Share this video, and make sure you tell others about our academy. There's a lot coming. In January, we are looking at learning about AI or creating YouTube channel, whatever, but we'll give out the options and you guys to select what you want us to teach you in January. So guys, thank you. Tomorrow we are going to complete this cloud storage. On Thursday we'll complete everything about cloud storage tools. We are going to look at Dropbox. We are going to learn how to add multiple people. We are going to look at how to collaborate on this file, how to give people access, actually how to remove people from your drive and all of that. So guys, thank you for being with me tonight. I really and sincerely appreciate your presence tonight. Have a nice day. um have a nice day. Have a nice and a wonderful night rest. Good night. Good night, guys. Have a wonderful night rest. See you on Thursday. This will be shared in the group. Practice this thing that I've said.